Hello, in front of me I've got Honda CR-V. In this video I'll show you where is the toolset location. In the beginning, open the trunk. And here in the trunk we've got first aid kit, spare light bulbs, emergency triangle, and now let's lift the floor of the car. Right here we can find spare tire, lift and keys for the lift. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.